Hi beautiful souls, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing great. I am doing absolutely fine. So today I am back with another video. I am doing this makeup look in today's video. So without talking much, let's see how did I do this look. So let's start with prepping our skin. I am using the Neutrogena Oil Free Moisturizer for combination skin. I'm taking a very little amount into my hands and I'm going to gently massage it onto my skin. Next, I'm going ahead with the Himalaya lip balm. I am so obsessed with this lip balm. This is one of my favorite lip balms. I have been using this from a very long time. From like the first video, if you see mine till now in makeup series, this is my partner. So now I'm going to hydrate the under eyes. So I'm using the Mom and Co under eye serum. I've taken a little amount of it and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and above my eyes. This will give a cooling sensation and it will just relax and hydrate the skin. So my skin is hydrated. Now let's get into the makeup. For the base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 330 Toffee and it's a light to medium coverage. You can build up the foundation. I'm going to take a little amount and just apply it onto my cheek area and my forehead. I'm going ahead with a flat brush and I'm just going to blend the foundation into my skin. As my skin is hydrated, the foundation will get blend very easily. So go ahead and blend your foundation. So to conceal my blemishes and dark spots, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 40 Caramel. So I'm going to take a little amount and I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I'm going to dip once again and I'm going to cover my lids also because I'm doing my eye makeup today. I'm going to take the flat brush again and I'm just going to blend everything in. I'm going to set my face with the Fit Me Loose powder. This is in the shade 30 Medium Deep. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to take a little amount of the setting powder. I'm going to dust the excess and I'm going to just rub it under my eyes. I'm not baking because we have gone a very lighter version of makeup. So I'm not going for baking and I'm just going to set it with this so that I don't have any crease lines afterwards. So with the remaining powder, I'm just going to dust it all over my face. So once I am done with my whole face, then I'm going to just dust off the under eye area and blend it in. Same I'm going to do with the other side. So my base is ready. Let's get into the eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. This is how the palette is. It has very beautiful neutral colors and some shimmers. I'm going ahead with the shade 10 and I'm just going to take a little amount. Okay, I'm going to just go on my crease as a transition shade. That was great, guys. It got blended it so easily and it was so smooth working with it. So I'm going to just darken it. I'm going to build the product up. slightly I'm going to apply it more. So I'm going to go ahead with shade number 3. This is the shade, and I'm just going to take a little onto the brush. So I'm going to start with the end of the eye. Look at the pigmentation, guys. Just can you believe this palette? I got this palette for 500. Its original price is 990, but I got it on a discount where I got 2 palettes for 999 rupees. It is so nice. I'm just going to blend it in from the corner to inside. The formulation is very nice and it's very blending in very easily, and yes, you can work with this palette. For beginners, it's a bomb product. I'm going to go ahead, take a little more pigment, and I'm just going to darken it on the corners, and with the remaining I'm just going to buff it up so that it's just mixed in with the transition shade we have applied. Look guys, how nicely it got blended in. I'm going to go ahead and go for a cut crease. I'm just going to line it first and then just first line it and then blend it. So same way I'm going to do the same here. So don't cross your lids, so let it be inside the lid, and just blend it in very smoothly. Go ahead, blend it really well so that it gets merged with the eyeshadow. I have cut the crease. Now I'm going with the shimmer shade. I'm going with the shade number 2. This is a very beautiful shade in the palette. It takes a little time to build up. So I'm going to apply on the area where I have cut the crease. I'm going slow, and slowly I'm going to apply it all over. The metallics in this palette, you have to go ahead and build it up, but the other remaining shades you can easily use them. They are very easy to use. I think I will go ahead and build it up a little more so that it gets that sheen. Go ahead, take another cleaner brush. Just going to use the edge and I'm going to blend both of them in, giving a much smoother look. So I have applied the glitter. This is the shade number 2, and see how beautiful it looks. It took a little time for me to build up, like it took 3 to 4 times of application to get that brightness. You can go ahead and build up the glitters. So I'm done with the eyeshadow. I'm going ahead with the eyeliner. I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner. This is black in color, and I'm just going for a thin liner so that it will give a much definition to my eye. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill my brows. I'm using the Swiss Beauty brow pencil, and I'm just going to fill in the dry or the empty areas. I'm going very light and slowly going to fill my brows. Go in a stroke motion, don't fill it like a color. After that, I'm just going to take the brush and going to shape it into place. I'm going ahead with the mascara. I'm going with the Hyper Curl Maybelline's mascara. So I'm going to go ahead, apply on my upper lash and then slowly on the lower lash. Applying mascara will give you a good definition. You can see the difference between both the eyes. So for the lipstick, I'm using the Calabar lipstick in the shade 46. Addictive Magneta. I didn't wanted to go for a bold lipstick. I wanted to go for a much neutral lipstick. So I'm going ahead with this, and I'm going to apply it on my lips. So this is all for today's video, guys. All the product links are given in the description if you want to go ahead and purchase. Thank you for tuning till the last. I hope you enjoyed this video or gained a little knowledge from my video. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you would be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, keep shining. Bye.